Alright, this is what we're doing a video on today. So, I had somebody try to open my door and just pull the whole door handle off. So, I'm going to try, see if I can put a new one on. Never done it before. I don't know nothing about rivets. He got these rivets in it. I don't know nothing about those. So, today I'm going to be trying to do that. Got my little new door handle right here. Oh shit. It's going to be interesting for me because I don't know nothing about it. Alright. First thing I got to do is try to open this door. Gotta take this off. Alright. Come on, Nana. Alright, so I guess I'll disconnect these wires. Yes, sir. All right. Got the rod out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hope I remember how to put it back in. Now. guess what? My drill is dead, so I'll be back. I'll let this drill charge or something, and I'll come back and finish. See what I can make happen. See if I'm. So we got the door handle off. I got the door handle off and all this shit. But this is the rivet thing that I bought, and it's the small rivet gun. I guess I'm saying this right. Rivet gun, rivet whatever. But it's the small one. So I'm about to go to the store and get the big one. I had to get the big rivet gun so I can fit these, because these won't fit in the small one that I got. So I gotta get a big one. So I'll be back. Alright, look what I got. We got the big joint. We got the big one. Let's see if I can get it out the box. Alright, we got the big ones all fancy, got the cup and all that shit. I really don't want to buy this big fancy one, because probably gonna use it once and that's it, hopefully. Alright, so I'm gonna get it out the pack. And shoot, try to put this door handle on. Alright, I'm back. So I got it in there. Let's see if this will hold on. I don't even know, bro. This shit. Oh, shit. Let's get down here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get some action. Oh, shit. Let's see him. Something ain't working right. Did I do it? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I did it, baby. I got one on. I got one on that motherfucker. Now I gotta try to get this out of this part. I think it's supposed to fall in this cup, but it didn't. I'll pull it out with some pliers. Alright, man, so I had to take it apart. I'm rigging it up now the way I want it to work. I don't even know if it's gonna work. I'll take it short. Let's see if it worked my way. It might not work at all now. I took something out of here. I took something out. I don't know if I need it or not. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out today. It look like I do need it. Oh, shit. Alright, put it back in. Alright. Let's try it again. I put the piece back in there. Let's see See if it works now. Oh yeah, I feel it. Yes, sir. Shit still stuck in there, man. This shit ain't working right, but fuck it. I got it on. All right. Good, it's on there pretty tight, though. Yes, sir. Now let's yep. See, look at this rod back in here. How does that shit work, though? Like, really? It's crazy how that rivet works. I've never ever messed with a rivet gun before in my life. Get this rod here. Bruh. Bruh, I know that shit didn't just break. Bruh, I know it didn't just break. I hope it didn't just break. I hope it didn't just break. I'm gonna be mad if it did. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, let's see. I hope that thing didn't break, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, that thing popped better. Man. Boy, what you talking about? Look at that. Man. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so it's in there. That is in there. So look at that. Look at that. Boy, I feel like I'm doing something. I ain't gonna record me putting the door panel back on. So, yep, that's it for that right there.